We're here at Biogas International Limited in Nairobi, and here, waste from the market is being prepared for energy production. This is the T-Rex M50, a large-capacity biogas system. It's designed for schools, farms, hotels and lodges, and areas with high energy demand. About 400 kilograms of market waste go into this system every single day, generating up to 25 cubic meters of biogas daily, equivalent to 113 kilograms LPG cylinder. The system is multi-chambered, allowing gas to be captured at different stages of the digestion process. This ensures complete fermentation of the feedstock. And nothing goes to waste. As biogas is produced, nutrient-rich organic bio-fertiliser flows out of the system. This fertiliser is then used to nourish crops, closing the loop from waste to energy to food production. Energy, food security, waste management, all in one system. Waste is not waste until you waste it. Talk to us today if you're a school, farm, hotel, or market looking to convert waste into value.